Hey guys, it's Alex from TECHAERIS.com, and I am back this week with another unboxing of another laptop. Yes, another laptop, and I know I am behind on the actual written reviews of some of these stinking laptops, but it's been a busy month for me. Was in Berlin for IFA, and then Brazil for IEM 2024, and this week I am going to be heading into South Korea. So I am real busy. I'm hoping to get the written reviews of these laptops done soon. I know someone asked about the 2-in-1 Lenovo, the Android and Windows machine hybrid that I unboxed a while back, and I started the review on that, but I went back to take a couple looks at the specs, and I noticed that they changed the pricing on that laptop significantly, and that really impacted my thoughts on that laptop, and I had to reevaluate and reassess what I was doing. So be patient with me as I get through this stuff. At least I want to get these unboxings done and at least give you an idea of what the laptops look like. So anyway, another unboxing here. This one is the HP OmniBook Ultra Flip 2-in-1 laptop, next gen AI PC. This is the one with the new Intel chip in it. Arrow Lake. That's it. Arrow Lake. I don't know why. I forgot that one. But anyway, this is the one with Arrow Lake in it. And supposedly, it's supposed to have better performance, better battery life. And we've seen that with the Asus S14. So that Intel chip does really do a good job. And so this is HP's offering of the same type of device. And we already took it out of the box. I always do this because I don't have enough space on my desk. And what you'll get in the box is paperwork, number one, and I'm not even going to show you that. But you get your traditional HP 65 watt brick wrapped in shiny plastic. And there is the other end to plug this into, and a braided cable with a USB-C end. And a nice lengthy cable too. So plenty of space there. And here is your power cable that goes into the adapter. And just your typical grounded 3-prong deal there. Pretty standard stuff. Nothing out of the ordinary there. So then your HP OmniBook Ultra Flip 2-in-1 gets packaged in this kind of soft insert type deal, and we'll pull that out of here. And just in case you guys hear anything in the background, I have construction going on outside of my house here, and they're being rather boisterous, so you might hear something. My mic shouldn't pick that stuff up, but it might. Just a word of warning to you is all. So this is a really nice color. I don't know what the name of this is. Let's see if I can find that. Let me drill this down here, because it's like a dark gray, like almost a space gray color, and it is really nice looking. That HP logo, since they've changed that, I really like what they've done with the HP logo. It's really nice. So there is your lid, and it is all aluminum. And here is the rear. 3 rubber feet right there. Looks like speakers down here on the bottom, on the front, and then your venting with your fans. You can see the fans in there, and then just other stuff on the bottom. I like that they don't have a warning about button cell batteries. On the left side of the laptop, you get a headphone jack and one USB-C port. It looks like might be Thunderbolt, but I think it's USB-C. And that, I believe, is, I think you can charge from either side. So I like this design because I like this corner, and I'll show that to you now. That corner edge right there, right there. I'm always having trouble with the focus on these cameras. Tell you. Also, if you're following my PC gaming rig thing, I'll link that down below. I have a new setup, so I no longer have my Mac Mini. I'm not recording through my Mac. I'm not, this is my first video using the Windows 11 Lenovo Legion tower, and so I've got a brand new setup, so everything's all changed here. So If I struggle a little bit, forgive me. But here is, yes, focus right there. So anyway, there's the headphone jack, and then the USB-C on that side. And on the other side, you get two USB-Cs, one where the headphone jack would be on the other side, and one on that corner again. There's your OmniBook branding right there. And it looks like a vent that runs across the back end of the spine right there. It's a nice looking machine. Handsome, very well built. And you open it up and it has the insert there. And let's see. In the meantime, let me flip over to my desktop so you can take a look at the specs. We'll talk about those in a second. Then I'll plug this in and we'll see what we can do about getting some power to this and power it on, at least to look at the display for a minute. All right, so here we go. We are looking at Windows 11 Home that is coming on this machine. And then you get, well, you can get a Windows 11 Pro if you'd like. I'm not sure what's shipped on this one. We'll have to look at that later. Included in current configuration is the Intel Core Ultra 5 226V, which is the Arrow Lake with integrated Intel Arc graphics, 16 gigs on board. And you also get a few options here, and you can always pause the video to look at this stuff. But you can get up to 32 gigs on board, the Intel Core Ultra 7 258V and the Ultra 9 288V. So you can spec these out how you like. Yeah, this thing was dead, so they shipped it to me dead. Intel Evo, Intel integrated SoC. Let's see here, storage included configuration 512. You can alternately get them configured at 1 to 2 terabytes. And all of them with an M.2 SSD Gen 4. And then you get a 14-inch 2.8K display, multi-touch, of course, because it is a hybrid. It is a flippy thing, so you can use it as a tablet if you'd like. Oh, screen-to-body ratio 90%. It comes with a 9-megapixel IR AI camera, and it features DTS:X Ultra Quad speakers, HP Audio Boost Poly Studio. I think this thing comes with a haptic trackpad. It might not. I'm gonna have to look into this. And they shipped it to me clean, so I'm gonna have to set this up before I can actually play with it. Normally they have them sent to me set up already. 2 Thunderbolt 4s with USB Type-C, 40 gigs per second signaling rate. All right, wireless technology. It comes with Wi-Fi 7 and has a 64 watt-hour battery in it. Supports fast charging. And the 65-watt Type-C adapter included. And that is about it for specs. Here we go. This is going to be better for us to look at rather than me trying to show this on this camera. Ports, you get the one headphone jack, one Type-C port on the left, and on the right you have the 2 Thunderbolt 4 ports. And believe this Type-C port is for charging. That's what I have it plugged into right now. Let's see, HP, well, always Wolf security with HP. And of course, the big push is the AI stuff. Discover, explore new things, analyze, collaborate, perform, get all that kind of stuff. And wow, now this one says 3K, while the other part said 2.8K. I'm going to go with 2.8K. 14-inch display. Dedicated AI engine up to 48 tops. And so forth and so on. OmniBook Ultra Flip 14 2-in-1 next gen AI PC. Let's pop back over. There's not much to see on this screen because it is on the setup screen right now. Let me see if I can lower the brightness on this thing. May not let me. It may let me. Oh yeah, it's gonna let me. That's a bright screen. It's an OLED, which is nice. All right, and there's your display. As best as I can show you. And it does flip all the way down and it flips all the way around, so you can use it as a tablet however you want it. You can prop it up, hang it from the ceiling, whatever. And that nice HP keyboard. They make nice keyboards. I like their keyboards. Not as nice as the Lenovo keyboards, but they're still nice. This trackpad is huge, and like I said, I believe it's all haptic. The way it feels anyway. It feels like a haptic trackpad. There is the OmniBook Ultra. That is the deck, Ultra Core i7. And it shows the AI capability there. And I'm going to set this up at some point. Of course, I will have to work with this after I get back from South Korea. I just wanted to do a quick unboxing and make this video short as possible with all my miscues, of course. So that is it, guys. That is the HP OmniBook Ultra Flip 14 2-in-1 laptop. And that is the unboxing of that. Just so you know, I am working on getting a new rig to actually try to do these videos overhead. So I don't have to have this kind of over here camera. I'd like to have it overhead, but none of my tripods, and I have several, none of them work properly for that. So we're working on that. We'll get that tripod, hopefully that stand to have here so that we can use and get some better video for you guys as I unbox all of these new products that come in. And there we go, out of focus again. There it goes. Lovely. Lovely. Hey guys, happy Monday. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks for supporting the channel. Thank you for all that you do. I highly appreciate everybody. Please like, share, subscribe, and yeah, thanks for supporting TECHAERIS. Thanks for supporting Gripecast. Thanks for supporting me. And we will talk to you on the other side.